What's something people don't know about making money while reading? Buckle up, book lovers, this one's for you. Introducing the Novella app, it's a dream come true for bookworms. You can earn money by diving into a wide range of novels, watching TV shows, and completing fun in-app offers. Daily reading, check-ins, and inviting friends earn you points that can be exchanged for real rewards. And hey, aspiring writers, listen up. Novella isn't just for readers. It's a golden opportunity to showcase your original stories, get mentorship from professional editors, and who knows, your story might even become a comic or TV show. But here's the tea. While it's a super fun way to supplement your income, don't quit your day job just yet. The earning potential is limited, so think of it as a rewarding hobby rather than a full-time gig. So are you ready to turn your love for novels into a little extra cash? Download Novella now and get started today. Happy reading.